on surveillance camera. Who is this guy busting into this small business in Roseville?
He knew exactly what he was doing.
Christopher Merrill is owner of Tech Savvy Docs on Lincoln Road. They sell and repair laptops, tablets, and cell phones.
Right out from the door there, and there he is.
He was home sleeping at 5:40 this morning when his alarm company called saying someone broke in. Using a crowbar, the bad guy took 6 laptops. Within minutes, Roseville police showed up, but the mystery man got away. It took him no more than 30 seconds.
When I saw the video, it was like, oh my goodness, what in the world just happened? This is Roseville. It's supposed to be a nice area.
I was counting on this money to be able to buy Christmas presents for my kids.
Robert Henry is an employee. His job today is to spend hours scouring the internet looking for the stolen products.
Hopefully, if somebody does try to sell them on Craigslist or something like that, I'll be able to contact the local law enforcement agencies and let them know.
This is tough for any small business trying to make a buck. Christopher hopes this video will lead to an arrest.
I don't think the person that broke in knew that we had security cameras installed in the location.
The owner also tells CBS 13 that whoever helps him find those laptops, he's offering a reward.
And we checked, the owner tells us so far the thief still has not been arrested.
And that reward is $200 for any information leading to an arrest.